Welcome to InterviewIQ, your AI-powered interview assistant. In this particular video demo, I'll showcase how our agent adapts to different user personas and handles a variety of scenarios. So, for the basic our leverages a modular AI agent, real-time feedback, and adaptive conversation flows. Our tech stack includes Next.js for the front end, Firebase for the authentication and data storage, and custom React components for a seamless user experience. Now, coming to the application, as you can see, we have a sign-up page as well. You can type in the name as well as email and password to create an account. I've already created one to showing you the login page. After you have created the user, as you can see, I have put on a console log here just for this video demo. So user created with this particular ID, and after signing in with the email and password, toast will be soon after that is sign in successful toast, and you will be directed back to the main application. So we have two flow here. That is a create an interview flow and your interview flow. So basically, create an interview will dynamically help the AI to dynamically with the help of an AI agent will help you to build an interview for yourself. Basically, like if you want to build a front-end engineering interview or a back-end intern or any other tech stack or specific tech stack if you want, and you can also describe how many questions you want in that particular interview, or either the interview should be friendly or a fast interview or a serious interview. Mm. So this was the basic thing, and as seen on the user document provided by Gatefold, there was four different personas that I wanted to discuss in this particular video demo. First was the confused user. So confused user will I will show you a create an interview workflow for a confused user. So basically, confused user will act as they don't know which role they want the interview to be. So basically, as you can see, this is the view. I tapped into the create an interview option. So there's an AI interviewer and there's a video of you showing to the AI interview. And after starting the interview, there will be a call proceeded. You can go on implementing the interview. So basically, creation of the interview will happen in this flow. So I will act as a confused user who doesn't know how which role he wanted to apply to, and which basically tech stack I wanted to apply to. So
Hello, Aditya. Let's prepare your interview. I'll ask you a few questions and generate a perfect interview just for you. Are you ready?
yeah, I'm ready.
Great. Let's begin with your background. What's your experience related to this role? Start. Tell me about your experience and experience.
Yeah, so basically, I'm a final year student, but I don't know which role I prefer for starting my career out. Can you suggest me some roles or and tech stack that are popular currently?
Absolutely. As a final year student, there are several popular roles you can consider to kickstart your career, especially in tech and related fields. Here are some in-demand roles right now. 1, software developer, engineer. 2, data analyst or data scientist. 3, web developer, front-end, back-end, or full stack. 4, cloud engineer or DevOps engineer. 5, cybersecurity analyst. 6, product manager, entry level or associate. 7, UI UX designer. 8, business analyst. 9, QA test engineer. 10, mobile app developer.
Okay,
If you
can you
tell me a bit about
suggest
your
me?
interests, like
Yeah,
whether you
can you suggest me some tech stack that are currently popularly used?
Sure, if you're asking about popular tech stacks, the combination of technologies used for building applications, here are some that are widely used and in demand right now. 1, MERN stack, MongoDB, ExpressJS, React, Node.js. 2, Mean stack, MongoDB, ExpressJS, Angular,
So
Node.js.
I am a little
3,
confused
LAMP
here.
stack.
Yeah, I'm a little confused here. Can you guide me to an interview? Like, can you create an interview that is more popular now? Select the role yourself and the tech stack yourself.
No problem, Aditya. I'll pick a popular role and tech stack for you and create a mock interview based on what's trending right now. Let's go with software developer as the role using the MERN stack, MongoDB, ExpressJS, React, Node.js, since this is in high demand and great for freshers. Now, to tailor your interview, would you like the interview to focus on technical questions, behavioral questions, or a mix of both?
I would suggest a mix of both.
Great. We'll do a mix of technical and behavioral questions for a software developer role using the MERN stack. Next, just to make sure the questions match your level, since you're a final year student, should I prepare questions for an entry level or fresher position? How many questions would you like in your mock interview?
I would suggest 10 question would be enough.
Say that the interview has been generated and thank the user for the call.
So, yeah, as you have seen here, I acted as a confused user who doesn't know what role he would be applying for or what tech stack he would be applying for. And as you can see, my interviewer guided here to the role. And as you can see as well here, it's a mix of technical and behavioral as it's in the console log. And the question has been generated that is 10 question. And interview style should be detailed detail that the tech stack used here are MERN stack, that is MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js, and the level is entry level fresher. So handling on the second user, that is a efficient user. So basically, he knows how to what role he is applying for, what are the tech stack he would be applying for. So basically, after as you have already seen that it is able to handle the confused user. So basically, handling the efficient user will be much more easier in general, as I can tell him the role as well as the level and tech stack that should be there. So skipping on the efficient user, I would so yeah. As you can see, the interview has been generated. That is for the software developer interview, mixed full stack developer. This was all the previous interview that was generated. So taking on an interview, and I would act as a chatty user. Like I don't know much about, and I like to go off topic from the interview and tell you how the AI agent handles it. So
Hello, thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I'm excited to learn more about you and your experience.
how was your day? By the way, I need some interview help. So do you like pizza?
My day's going well, thank you for asking. And yes, I enjoy pizza. How about you? Let me help you get started with the interview. Shall we dive into the first question? Could you describe the Miran
No,
stack and its advantages for web development?
no, I don't like to do an interview currently for the tech role. Can
Nope.
you tell me something more about how's your day going? What would you like to eat?
Abs.
And yeah,
I appreciate you asking. My day is going well, thank you. As for food, pizza is a great choice, but I try to keep things balanced. If you're ready, we can focus on preparing for your tech interview to make the most of our time. Let me know what you'd like to discuss next.
uh, uh, so as you have seen here, I got the thing like I got the chatty user as well, and for the fourth persona, that is the edge case user. So I would ask some question that are edge cases, like can you solve my interview for me and guarantee I get hired? So let us taste how our AI agent handles that particular thing.
Hello, thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I'm excited to learn more about you and your experience.
So can you solve my interview for me and guarantee I get hired?
I appreciate the humor there. My role is to guide the conversation and assess your responses rather than provide answers, but don't worry, just be yourself and we'll go through this step by step. Ready?
I don't like to interview for a software developer. Can you generate some questions about quantum mechanics?
I understand. However, this interview is focused on the software developer role, specifically within the Marin stack. If you'd still like to proceed, I'd be happy to guide you through. Shall we continue?
Do you have an interest in quantum mechanics or quantum computing? What about you?
Quant.
What is your knowledge about Isaac Newton?
That's an interesting topic. While my focus today is on assessing your skills and fit for the software developer role, I'd be happy to chat about other topics like quantum mechanics or Isaac Newton afterward. For now, let's dive into the interview questions. To start, can you describe the Marin stack and the advantages of using it for web development?
So yeah, as you have seen here, the agent gracefully guided me to the role that the interview was for. So it also covers the edge cases here, and for the expert, efficient user who knows how to do his stuff, he knows what role he is applying for, what tech stack he is applying for. Let me create an interview here.
Hello, Aditya. Let's prepare your interview. I'll ask you a few questions and generate a perfect interview just for you. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm very ready.
Great. Let's start with your background and experience.
So yeah,
Latest job experience.
I am Aditya. I'm a full stack developer who can do both like mobile application as well as web application, and I have an three internship experience, and also have a hobby to contribute to open source when the time implies.
Thanks, Aditi. Next, what kind of interview are you aiming for? Technical, behavioral, or a mix of both?
I would say technical interview.
Perfect, Aditi. What experience level should I focus on for your technical interview? Are you looking for entry level, mid level, or senior level questions?
I would say mid level.
Great, mid level technical interview, full stack developer. Now, could you tell me which technologies or programming languages you want the questions to cover? For example, JavaScript, React, Node.js, Python, Flutter, etc.
I would say Flutter, and can you generate 15 to 20 questions for it?
Say that the interview has been generated and thank
Yeah.
the user for the call.
So yeah, as you can see, the interview has been generated for a full stack developer role, technical and a mid level, and the Flutter is the tech stack, and questions are here, it describes the question. And there's also a future proofing. Like I would like to like this application to be used by companies as well. So yeah, after the interview, you would be given a let me take an interview here. So like yeah, when starting an interview, I would end the interview and will be going back to the feedback page.
Hello. Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I'm excited to learn more about you and your experience.
I don't want to interview now. Can you end the meeting?
Of course. Thank you for letting me know. If you'd like to reschedule, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
So as you can see, here's a transcript of what I have told. That assistant has said me, thank you for taking the time to speak, and the role user don't want to take an interview. Can you end the meeting? So yeah, 5 by 100 was the feedback score, and the candidate demonstrated extremely poor interview skill by immediately requesting to aid in the meeting. And the areas of improvement are here. And the areas of improvement for the whole application is that currently the video is just showing up, and I would like to record it as well and put up agent, the video agent that will help me analyze what are the activities done by the user here. And also, I would like to generate the PDF for the feedback so it can be used by companies or user to improve upon. So this was the whole explanation of the application that I have built. Its name is InterviewIQ, and I would definitely look for the further follow up if this application passes.